Good evening friends, I'm Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel ASFIN. Today we will be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed in the last trading session on 21st January, that is Friday, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 24th of January, Monday. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the world indices. If you look at Germany, France and UK, the European indices are in deep red. All have closed in negative of minus 1.5% to 2%. China is trading in red of minus 1% and United States is in deep red of around 2%. So these global indices are in negative because of the rising bond yields, because bond yield are at a 2-year high, and the Fed has said that rather than having a 3 interest rate hike sessions, they are going to have 4 interest rate hikes, and they will be hiking the interest rates pretty soon. And because of this and poor results of Netflix, we saw pressure on the technology stocks across the globe, and Nasdaq was down by more than 2.75%. If you look at the FIs and DIs data of last trading session, FIs were net sellers. They have sold more than 3,148 crores, and DIs were net buyers of 269 crores, which is even one less than one tenth of what FIs have sold. And that's why we are seeing all the negative and hula hoo across the Indian markets. If you look at the Nifty was an upward trading channel of starting from 20th December, and it went up to 18,350, and from there we are seeing a sharp sell-off. In the last 4 trading sessions, Nifty has lost more than 800 points. It has come from 18,350 to 17,511, and it can further go down because I believe that Nifty has not made bottom yet before it goes for another upward channel. If you look at the 15-minute chart on Friday, we opened gap down, and because of the weak global cues, we were down by minus 120 points, in fact more than that. And from there we were trying to go for a sharp recovery, but here at that resistance level which was given in the previous video, 17,680 to 17,700 was a major resistance, and from there we saw a sharp sell off in the last trading session in the last few minutes. But in the last 1 hour of the trading, we saw that we saw some recovery in Nifty, and it ended at 17,617. So for tomorrow, the first support will be at 17,600 level. If this is broken, then 17,500 would be the second support, and the third support would be 17,350 to 17,380. Talking about the resistance, the first resistance would be the resistance which was given for Friday, 17,680 to 17,700. If we start trading upwards, then the another resistance would be 17,800 to 820, and the last resistance would be 17,920 to 940, which is a very far-fetched resistance. I don't think that this will come tomorrow, but yes, in the coming trading sessions we can definitely see Nifty bouncing back up to the level of 18,000. If you look at the option chain of this month, we can see that 18,000 is the zone where we have seen maximum call writing. There are more than 1.8 lakh contracts written at 18,000 level. If we talk about the support, the major support is coming at 17,500, and even more than that, we are seeing that 17,000 strike price is also having some activity. So right now the option chain is not very bullish. We can clearly see that people are doing a lot of call writing over here on the Nifty options, and Nifty can go further down from the level of 17,600. If you look at the Bank Nifty formed a green candle. It is a kind of a doji candle with a very small body, and we are uncertain where the market will go. If you look at Nifty and Bank Nifty both are following a negative channel right now. If you look at the 15-minute chart to find out the resistance and support levels for tomorrow, In last trading session, we have opened gap down just like Nifty, and from the support which was given previously 37,200, Bank Nifty took a support and went up to the resistance level of 37,600, and then from there it again fell to 37,200, and then it took a support. So in the last trading session, Bank Nifty was very volatile, as you can see here. For tomorrow, the levels would be, if Bank Nifty starts trading lower, then the first support would be 37,420 to 37,450. The second would be 37,200 to 250, and the third would be 37,000 to 37,050. These are the levels for the support. If we talk about the resistance, the first resistance would come at 37,650. The second resistance would be 37,800 to 850, and the last would be 38,130 to 150. If you look at the option chain, here we are seeing maximum call writing is happening at 38,000 level, which is acting as the resistance, and here the put writers have also closed positions, which confirms that 38,000 is a safe level for the call writers. If you look at the put writing, the maximum put writing is happening at 37,000 level. Here 37,000 will act as a major support for the Bank Nifty. That's all for this video, friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description below. Thank you.